So today I'm here for my first day of laser toning and I want to like target this area. You can see it's so annoying, this pigmentation. And I can't wait because there's gonna be like subsequent treatment as well. So watch out for it! Guys, so I'm done with my treatment and I feel really fresh and good. My skin feels toned and I hope to see this disappear slowly. And the doctor gave really good advice on how to take care of my skin. Even the staff after that showed me how to do the aftercare, what to do after. So can't wait for a better skin. Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, remember to subscribe over here and watch more of Only Aesthetic Experience over here.